Thank you for joining me. A significant flash flooding threat is now unfolding for New York City metro area. Right here, we're getting a wall of rain coming right into New York City and parts of western Long Island. I mean, this is going to continue for several hours of torrential rains. I mean, look at this. I mean, I'm not surprised because water temperatures here are very unusually warm, near 70 degrees, which for this time of year is very, very unusual. So let's look at sea surface temperature anomalies. So right now, let's look at sea surface temperature anomalies. It's showing a little cooler than normal. However, look how warm the waters are here. And here. Look at that Gulf Stream anomaly right there. All that warm water is just coming right from here. It's just pumping all that moisture northward. So you got a negative North Atlantic oscillation, negative NAO, which is allowing blocking high, so allowing all this moisture to just go right into New York City. So let's go back to National Weather Service. Let's go to the NWS radar right now. Weather Prediction Center. Let's read this. Concerning heavy rainfall, flash flooding likely. Summary: showers and thunderstorms are expected to be on the increased overnight across the greater New York City metropolitan area, along with adjacent suburbia. Flash flooding is likely to occur given wet antecedent conditions, and urban sensitivities to heavy rainfall rates. Discussion: GEO's infrared satellite imagery in conjunction with area dual polarization radar shows an area of heavier shower activity beginning to set up and focus just offshore of northern New Jersey and south of the western tip of Long Island. The convection is gradually advancing off to the north-northwest, which is correct, and is becoming increasingly focused along a sharpening inverted surface trough situated near coastal areas of New Jersey and stretching north into far southeast New York. Coinciding with this is a surge of moist southeast low-level Atlantic flow aiming to the eastern flank of this surface trough, and the latest experimental CIRA LVT shows this surge of stronger tropical moisture transport showing in the surface to 850 millibar and 850 millibar to 700 millibar layers. Some of the deepening and expanding areas of convection are noted near the nose of this and the intersection with the inverted trough. The instability parameters across the region are very modest, with most unstable Cape values of 250 to 500 joules per kilogram pooled across western Long Island and down across central and southern New Jersey and the adjacent offshore waters. However, over the next several hours, there should be some increase in the instability along the inverted surface trough, and there should only be a further increase in deeper layer ascent and forcing as height falls associated with an upper level trough over the Ohio Valley begin to overspread the region. This should only further encourage a stronger low level response with a corresponding focus for slow moving and heavy shower activity, including a few thunderstorms, which we already saw. In fact, a look at the midnight at the 00Z HREF guidance suggests rainfall rates will be capable of reaching 1 to 2 inches per hour, with convective cells tending to be locally focused, anchored along a aforementioned north-south inverted trough. increase in the coverage of convection across coastal areas of central and northern New Jersey, far southeast New York, and western Long Island, and possibly areas of southwest Connecticut can be expected after 6Z, 2 a.m., and especially by 5 a.m. or 9Z. Expect locally as much as 2 to 4 inches of rain, with isolated heavier amounts to be possible by dawn. This, coupled with wet antecedent conditions, will likely result in areas of flash flooding. Means the area is already going to be wet. Antecedent. There will be elevated concern for runoff problems and urban flooding involving the New York City metropolitan area and some of the adjacent suburbs as these heavier rains evolve overnight, especially towards dawn. Which means the worst is yet to come. I mean, look what's going on right now. You have this train of just torrential rains coming right into New York City. I live here. I mean, they might have to pump their basements. Like, my mom might have to pump her basement. I mean, we have a sub pump. Our basement actually flooded, and we had to call the fire department for just a couple inches of rain before we had a good sub pump installed. And during Ida's wrath, we didn't really have any problems. I think we did, but a lot of people drowned in New York City. This could be a repeat of Ida. It's possible we could get just a training event that could really severely impact a lot of people living in those basement apartments, especially Regal Park, Forest Hills, even some areas here. I'm very concerned about those basement apartments. They may have to be evacuated. Let's see if NYC OEM is doing anything about it. Let's see if they're... Yep, exactly. Yep. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Yep. There we go. No earthquakes. Okay, that's good. But the primary concern right now is New York City. This could be really, really bad. Like, I'm talking about Ida bad. A lot of people could be potentially having significant and life-threatening flooding. So I'm about to go to bed. I'm going to leave this live stream running. But if I live in a basement apartment, I would evacuate. Especially if you live in those apartment buildings that are prone to flooding. Some areas in Regal Park, Forest Hills, Jackson Heights had some really bad flooding. If y'all remember last year, Hurricane Ida, it was bad. Well, sorry, 2 years ago, it was Ida. Hurricane Ida was 2021. If I remember now correctly. Yeah, 2021. Most of the deaths actually occurred in the Northeast. And it actually strengthened to tropical storm force, and the center right up has right near New York City. Brown ocean effect. I was actually saying the brown ocean effect was going to happen. Yeah. You know, the worst part was that the worst of the rain was actually west of where most of the deaths occurred. Most of the deaths occurred in this area here, where only between 5 and 6 inches of rain fell. I mean, if this just went a little further south and right over Queens and Brooklyn, would it be even worse? So New York. Most of the damage occurred in Louisiana, but most of the fatalities? Most of the fatalities? '34. I think they're talking about damage here. 87 plus 55 plus 32. Impact by state? Like, are they talking about fatalities? 87 plus 30. 55 plus 32? No. That's Northeast. Mullica Hills, New Jersey. Not much of the naturally ventilated roof. Woodside, Queens. It's right near where I live. 18 storm-related deaths were also reported in New York. 27 people died in New Jersey, including one person who drowned inside their car in Passaic, New Jersey, and 5 others who died in their apartment complex in... Jeez. When... at that. "27 people died in New Jersey, and 18 died in New York. Most people who died in New York City lived in basement apartments that flooded." Yeah. That's what I'm worried about tonight. Basement apartments flooding. That is what I'm really concerned about tonight. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning of this event. And this is not even a fully fledged tropical system like Ida was. This is also a remnant system. But keep in mind that Ida was a Cape Verde tropical system. Basically had its origins in the Cape Verdes. There's even a threat of severe weather. So let's look at the ARRR right now. Look at that. Just insane. Simulated reflectivity. Yeah, this is about what's happening right now. And then look at that. Just jeez. So it might even get worse before it gets better. So let's look at the RAP model right now. Some models are saying there's going to be a lot of rain. Some models are saying, okay, it's not going to be too bad. Ultimately, we got to be very careful about systems like this. Yeah, it could be pretty bad. Why didn't you say that in vent chat? That's where I found it. All right, so let's look at Campiflagre again one more time. All right, it's quiet. It's quieted down. Now I'm just worried about the flooding situation in New York. I'm going to bed, guys. I'm gonna mute my channel. So, there actually might be some hail in there. Let me look at correlation coefficient. No, no hail. Let me see. If there would be hail, it would be in here because that's the only CC drop I'm seeing. And any hail in there? Yeah. Look at that. Actually, might be some small hail. As I said, if there would be any hail, it would be right. If there would be any hail, it would be right here. Yeah. So possibly some small hail in there. Oh. All right. Yeah. So there might be some small hail right in there. So 115 correlation coefficient. Yeah. This is where the hail would likely be. right in this area. So yeah, and would you look at that? Correlation coefficient. Again, if there would be any hail, it would be in this, yeah, it would be right in the core. So let's go to KDIX. Correlation coefficient. Yeah, a little drop there. Not a big one, but there is a drop. Ow. If your post would have been removed by a moderator, it would have said this post was removed by an admin. So today I only have one course, so again, let's look at correlation coefficient again. Huh. Let's look at velocity. No rotation. Okay, that's good. Looks like there's some rain heading my way. It's related to the same system. But keep in mind, this is actually a remnant storm. Yeah, this is the stink from Ophelia. And that actually does look like this could be a supercell right here. Oh, would you look at that? Possible rotation. Alright, so yeah, this is bad. Hopefully it won't be as bad. Hopefully the models are wrong and the storm isn't as bad as forecasted. But you see how it's going east and then going north, how it's going south, northwest, and then it's going north, and then how it's going back northeast. Right now, New York City's just getting moderate rain at this point. But let's look at TJFK. Velocity. Alright. You can see where there's northeast winds here, right? But then look, you see the converging winds right here? See the east winds here? But then you're seeing the southeast winds here. So there's definitely convergence here. And this convergence is what is causing all this heavy rain. This is the trough that they're talking about. Trough axis is right around here. I'm trying to look at the surface winds to see. You see a northeast wind here. And then this aloft, you're seeing a south wind, southwest wind. But at the surface, if you look really close, you can actually see a northeast flow right here, right here. So again, look slowly, look closely. You're seeing this northeast wind right here. You're seeing an east-northeast wind. But then you're seeing shifting winds. So again, let's go to KOKX. Here they're showing very strong winds at the aloft. Just 1,000 feet up. Here the winds are from the south. If you look closely, you could almost see southerly winds here. Yep, southerly winds here. But then New York City, NYC itself, is getting east-northeast winds. So where is the trough? Right about here. You see where the winds are shifting here? That's your trough right here. Here you're having northeast winds, but then the further, so yeah. And this is where your showers and storms are forming, right along the trough axis, right here. And this is why New York City is going to be getting so much rain. Right along that trough axis. Here you're getting southerly winds. Here you're getting northeast winds. Right along that trough axis, you're getting all these showers and storms. This could turn into a major flash flooding threat. And here, east winds. And it's not even based on height. See how this trough axis shifts here? It's not equidistant. So it's not even relating to the height above the ground. But if you go further out to 800 feet, here they're showing southerly winds aloft. But it looks like the winds start shifting directions only once you get about 500 feet above the ground. And you want to know what that is? That's a cargo ship right there. There's two cargo ships. One here, one here. So those are two cargo ships that are moving towards New York Harbor. I'm going to go just like that. You're likely going to go into Brooklyn right here, port right here. I know this looks like a supercell right here. Looks like it's rotating, but it's not. See, there's no rotation with this. But your strongest winds are in here, right in the core of the rain. Atlantic Beach is getting torrential rain right now. And I'm looking on my phone to see if there's any lightning with this, because I have radar. I have oh yeah, there's a lot of lightning with this. There's a good amount of lightning with this. Mm-hmm. Alrighty, so let's look. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3 cargo ships coming in. Let's see if KOKX can pick it up. It used to, not anymore. Yeah, we got those 3 cargo ships coming in. See, this one's going faster, but then they slow down as they enter. There's been a lot. Oh yeah, there's a lot of lightning with this activity. And there's another burst of rain that just started forming right about here, so that's not good. And there's a lot of lightning with this too. Let's see, any hail? Yeah, a little bit. Look at that. Huh. There might be a little bit of hail with that, just a tiny bit, not a lot, but maybe some small hail. I'd say maybe pea to marble sized. Yeah, it's going about 3,500 feet up, so could be some small hail with that. And then again, this is pretty far from the site, so let's see. Yeah, again, that is like 4,000 feet up. Doesn't really look like, if there's going to be any hail, it would probably be over here. Correlation coefficient. So this is your rain snow line right here. So yeah, it's definitely a pretty tropical air mass. So the fact that we're seeing this means that there is likely some hail in this area. Again, small hail, nothing big. But yeah, there is a lot of lightning with this, and normally when there's lightning, there's going to be hail. Yeah, so my family's definitely gonna have a very long night. I'm gonna tell you that right now. It's gonna be thundering. It's gonna be pouring. We're not gonna have a fun night. I'm gonna tell you that right now. And looking here, all right. Let's check back to Campi Flegrei. Quiet. Yeah, so it looks pretty good right now. So it looks pretty good. All right, so I don't even think that's an earthquake right there. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. Huh, it's weird. Apparently we had a small earthquake here. 4:30 Z local time. That's where the 4.2 happened. Yep. Just the last couple days, we had a lot of earthquakes. I'm gonna count how much earthquakes we've had for the month of September, but yeah, August will definitely have us beat. At least that's what I realize right now. 17. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That's 34. 35, 36. 40. 50. 51. 51. 60. 68. 70. 85. 86, 87, 88. 86, 87, 88, 90, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 90, 200, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 119. Of course, times 2. Everything is times 2. I'm counting just the dark blue ones. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. It's already 136. Wow. We're already at 300. 153. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 170. 80. 87. It's 87 right there. 88, 89. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, we already surpassed August. 104. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21. This can't be right. Holy crap. Is this true? Is this... I'm going to count for August because we had a lot of earthquakes in August. You know, I think August might have us beat, actually. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, that's 17. Oh, damn it. Keep in mind, we're doing everything by twos. I'm multiplying everything by 2, so... Alright. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 35, 30, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. This is 51, August 7th. That's already over 100. 51. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. 69, 70. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Of course, this is by the 18th. 1, 2. 202. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 119. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36, 136 already. 107, 140, 100, 150, 51, 52, 53, 53, 170, 170, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 87, 200, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's 100. That's 239. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 50. That's 150. 54, 55, 56, 156. Whoa! Maybe if I can. That's 256. Let me just reset it now. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 273, 74, 75, 80, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 191, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 108. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 325. 5. Six, 27, 32, 33, 34, 35, 140. Oh, right. 300s. Okay. Let's start off right about here. Control minus. All right. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 38. That's 38. It's 38 earthquakes now. Well, 38 times 2. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. That's 58 right here. 58, 58, 58. Wait, what? Great, I have to go all the way back to the beginning because I messed it up. Alright, hold on. I'm going to get the exact count. Multiply everything by 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. That's 39. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 50. 58. 60, 60. 70. 78. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 118 so far. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. That's 138 so far. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's 150. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. 178 right here. 99, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. That's 198 earthquakes right there. 99 to 100. 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 right here, look. 216. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 235 earthquakes. Keep in mind, most of August was not even calculated. 235. Some of it was. So 235 earthquakes. Multiply that by 2. That's 470 earthquakes. Some of it is revised, some of it is not. Let's go all the way down to where it's been revised. So the last revision was done on September 8th. Keep in mind, most of the earthquakes have not been revised, which means a lot of earthquakes occurred. Keep in mind, for all of August, before the revision occurred, there was only low-level 400s, like 400. Like just above 400. Now there's 470 for September. Let's count how many earthquakes there have been from September 8th. Not that much, it looks like, right? You got a 3.8 on September 7th. Let's count how much has been until September 8th, until the revision stops. Alright, so let's go down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 19 right here. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, about 50 something earthquakes. So we're still, so even if we take away the revised, even if we take all the revisions away, that's about 26 minus 52. We're still looking at over 418 earthquakes. Over about 420 earthquakes, even without the revision. That's even if you take away the revisions. If it was all preliminary, that's a lot of earthquakes. We are having more earthquakes in August. Yeah, I definitely think a new seismic crisis has begun at Camp Ophelia. This is very, very troubling. I mean, this is also inside the caldera, by the way. See, first of let's go to Camp Ophelia again. No earthquakes. Let's look at radar now in New York City. Flash flood warning. Look at that. They've issued a flash flood warning, or is that an urban small stream flood advisory? But no. I strongly believe that is a flash flood warning that they've issued. Yep. They've issued a flash flood warning as of 1:43. Yep. Good thing is they issued it as a precaution, because not everyone is getting this flash flooding rain. Look at parts of Manhattan. They're getting a lull right now, but look at, like right here. It's been mostly light moderate rain, but right here in Jericho, it's been pretty bad. So keep in mind, this is where my mom lives, so she kind of dodged a bullet here. But oh, look what's happening. Look what's coming down here. It's just a train of rain. It's like literally a choo-choo train. It's literally just training. Rain continuing. I know. That could be magma intruding, through that dike into that sill. But my main concern is the flooding rains in New York City. Alright guys, I'm going to bed. It's getting late. Good night, everybody. Thank you all for watching. Good night.